So we asked him how many people does he need to help him if he wants to harvest this whole garden all at once. This garden, now right there, I'm having about 17 people who are doing the harvest right now. If you want to harvest this whole garden all at once, you will need to have about 30 farmers, 30 workers helping you to do the harvest. So we asked about how they get paid. Do they get paid monthly or on a daily? Isn't it too expensive to hire help? Now those ones, they harvest a basin. So we calculate per basin. That is the only way you can manage them. You don't pay all of them at the same rate or at once, because some of them are hard workers, yet some of them really are slow workers. For each basin harvested, we pay the person 2,500. But the basin can produce about 5 kilograms, and each kilogram is about 2,000. You give the farmer 1 kilo per basin plus an extra 500. So if a basin is about 5 kilograms, in your calculations, you know that me as the owner, I'm going to be able to get about 3.5 kilograms. So we asked if there is someone who keeps monitoring. What if someone says, I've harvested 5 basins and they haven't? No, there is someone in there who is managing them. So every time you harvest your basin, you have to first go show it to her, and then she'll be able to note that basin down. But also from the experience I have, I know them, and I know who is able to harvest 5 basins in a day. Harvesting chili is not easy. I know that this one can only harvest about 3 basins. So there is no way that person can lie to me that they harvested 5, because no, they cannot.